Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you step by step how you can apply a slow motion effect to your video clips in the Shotcut video editor in 2025. So let us get started. So head over to your video project, guys, and let's say for instance you're working on a video clip like this here, add it to your timeline. So let's assume for instance you would like to apply the slow motion effect to, let's say, the middle part of that video clip and slow down, let's say, somewhere here around the 10 or 15 second mark. So what you will need to do, guys, is simply move the playhead here to the timestamp where you'd like to apply the slow motion effect to, right click into your video clip and select split at playhead. You may also use the shortcut S for that. That is going to split your video in half into a left and a right half. So what you want to do is left click to select the right half or the second part of your video and simply decrease the speed of that selected video clip. To do that, navigate to the video clip's properties. And here, guys, you will see under or above a video, we'll see the current speed of the video clip. You may increase or decrease it. So if you'd like to slow down the video, simply decrease it from 1, which is the default speed, to 0.5, for instance. Click into apply or simply click off. And that is going to slow down the video clip. So let me, for instance, show you the preview of it. So we see the default speed here. And after a brief moment, you will see the slow down effect. There you go. So that's how we do it, guys. If you'd like to return to the previous speed or increase the speed, simply again, move the playhead to the timestamp. Let's say, for instance, somewhere here. Split that part into two halves again by right-clicking into that video clip. Select split at playhead. Select the part here to the right. And again, head over to the video clip's properties, to video, and here increase the speed. You may, of course, go even above 1, of course, but 1 is the default speed. Click off or click into apply here. And there you go. So if we play the preview here, you will see that the speed significantly increases or speeds up. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.